Hello everyone and welcome back to Qubrid AI. I'm Shariveri and I work as a developer relations associate at Qubrid AI. In today's video, I'll show you how you can try out Qwen's 3 open source coder model on Qubrid AI platform that too completely for free. So if you're a developer who's looking to test code generation, debugging or reasoning with Qwen's model, this video is for you. So make sure that you watch till the end. So before we jump in, let me quickly explain what Qubrid AI does. So Qubrid AI is a GPU infrastructure platform that lets you run, test and deploy open source AI models at scale without managing any GPUs by yourself. So we offer up to 4 million free inference tokens to get started and access to some powerful open source models like Qwen and Nemotron. So you don't need any credit cards and payment methods to try it out. You can just go ahead and simply sign up and start experimenting on it. So let's go ahead and log into our Qubit account. And if you already don't have an account, you can sign up using Google, GitHub, or your email. So I already have an account. I'll just quickly log in into it. So once you log in, you'll land on the playground page. So you can go ahead and explore other options as well. We have from the left hand side menu, we have AI models. These are the AI models which we have. We have Nemotron, DeepSeek, GPU compute. We have AI ML templates. These are pre-built templates to ship your models faster. On dashboard, this dashboard is a centralized place where you can monitor total inference tokens use, view active VM jobs, or like fine tuning jobs which you have, or like Hugging Face deployments currently used, or like have, or any like serverless API keys which you have previously created, and some recent activities. For now, let's go ahead and launch our playground. In our playground, we have different use cases. We have text, code, image, audio, vision, OCR. So for every use cases, we have different models over here. These models are recommended by Qubrid for different use cases. So for this video, we'll go for the code model. So we are using Qwen 3 coder model over here. And let's think about some prompt. Let's create a website for a bakery. Let's type in our prompt. I'll ask prompt, let's create a interactive bakery website using HTML, CSS. Let's do one thing. Let's just send in the prompt. Let's see what it does. So it has started generating some code for us. So as it's going to give us code both in HTML and CSS, it's going to be a bit long. So one nice thing about Playground is that you can interact with the models directly from the UI without writing any code by yourself. So here we have like enabled our streaming option. So if you enable the streaming option, the responses will come token by token. And if you disable the streaming option, it will give you the final response once it has done. So our code has done. So you can see the total number of tokens used, time to first token, response time, and tokens per test second. So these metrics are useful, especially when you're benchmarking models for production use. On the right hand side, you can see model configurations over here. You can tweak these model configuration. You can tweak temperature, max tokens, stop P, and enable or disable the streaming option. Streaming option is useful when you're developing something real time, like if you're developing a chatbot or like a code assistant. At that time, streaming is useful. So you can enable streaming if you're using something a real time application or something. You can go ahead and use the streaming option. Let's do one thing. Let's copy our code and let's paste it on our online ID. Let's run our code. Let's see how it's giving us. Okay, it's pretty simple website over here. It did give us some images as well. It generated some images, some contact us page as well, some reviews kind of section. I think it's a very good, simple website it has generated. Let's see if it works. Okay, if you click on add cart, it gets added in cart over here. So it has generated some interactive website over here. Let's do one thing. Let's iterate it more. Let me go ahead and ask him to like change the color. Change the color to red and white. Maybe add visual elements like cherries, and update the design for a Christmas offer. Let's send in the prompt. It has started generating our code again. So it will take some time regarding how much content it has to change. The one good thing about this is that it's giving all the code in one go over here. Like you don't need to like create any separate files for at least for this kind of example. So it's giving us completely into one thing. See if so you can see it's adding the part where I told him to add some cherries over here. So it's adding that part as well. I hope it understands the instructions well. Okay, so we are done. So now we have used these many tokens. This was time to first token. This was response time and tokens per second. So it did took some time to generate the whole code. Let's see how well this code has been generated. It has generated a lot of code for us. Let me just copy this code again. Let me paste it over here and let me run it. Let's see what changes it has. Oh, pretty perfect. I think it looks good. Christmas bakery, Merry Christmas. It has done justice to the prompt, I feel. Some black, red and white shade. We have, though it has misplaced some things like cherries, it did add some cherries, but I think this looks much better than the previous one. So I won't be iterating it more. I think I'm happy with this result. If you want, you can go ahead and check out these things and play around with these things. And like if you want to like explore more on this, or like if you want to like go ahead and integrate this into your application, or like generate from like some basic scripts to some more application, some big application, or like integrate this API into your application, Qubrid makes it easy. So we provide this serverless endpoint. Currently, we support Curl, Python, JavaScript, and Go. You can use this endpoints directly into your application and like go ahead and create this API key. You can go ahead and click get API key to create this API key and integrate these endpoints into your application. So if you want to explore more, then you can go ahead and click on view docs. Here you will find our documentation page. We have documentation for quick start where you can go ahead and set up however you want. And then we have quick start API and you can set up API keys. Then we have model quick starts as well. So these documentations are specific to models. For example, for core models, we right now experimented with Qwen 3 coder model. Then for chat models, we have GPT OSS. You can go ahead and read about these things and try it out by yourself. And if you ever get stuck, feel free to open a support ticket or join our Discord community and reach out to me directly on the Discord or LinkedIn. We are always happy to help you guys. So that's it for today. And if you're building in a real world application using open source models like these, like Qwen, definitely give Qubrid AI a try. And don't forget to like, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. And do let us know in the comments what are you building next. We would love to see those things. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.